Hey food enthusiasts, have you ever thought about how AI could transform your cooking experience? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of AI-powered recipes and how they're set to revolutionize your kitchen forever. Imagine a world where your kitchen becomes a haven of culinary innovation, powered by the magic of artificial intelligence. Gone are the days of tedious recipe searches and endless scrolling. AI is changing the way we cook, making it smarter, easier, and way more fun. Let's start with your new kitchen companion AI recipe generators. Say goodbye to boring meal planning and hello to personalized culinary journeys. These AI tools analyze your preferences, dietary restrictions, and even adventurous flavor combinations to suggest recipes perfectly aligned with your tastes. Missing an ingredient? No problem. AI chefs can suggest substitutions, making cooking more accessible than ever. But that's not all. AI is also unlocking culinary creativity like never before. With AI-driven flavor pairing tools, you can explore uncharted territories of taste. Imagine combining ingredients you never thought possible and creating dishes that are uniquely yours. These innovative tools help you break free from traditional recipes and unleash your inner culinary artist. Now let's see AI in action with some real-life examples and tools. There are popular apps and advanced platforms already revolutionizing our kitchens. Take a look at apps like Chef Watson or Food Pairing, which use AI to suggest recipes, flavor pairings, and even meal plans. These tools are practical and super easy to use, making everyday cooking a breeze. And let's not forget about the future of food. Imagine a world where your refrigerator communicates with AI, ordering groceries based on your dietary needs and upcoming recipes. AI's role in food will continue to evolve, from personalized nutrition plans to robots assisting with cooking tasks. The future of food is undeniably intertwined with AI, and we're just beginning to see the possibilities. So, are you ready to embrace the AI-powered cooking revolution? With AI on your side, the kitchen is your playground and the possibilities are endless. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting culinary adventures. Happy cooking!